how to listen to music offline on Esound. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's video we will learn how we can listen to music offline on Esound. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Esound application if you have not downloaded it already. So install it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have installed it, now open up the application and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one and then log in using your account. Now once you're logged in, select a song that you want to add or that you want to listen offline. Then tap on the two dots next to the song. And from this menu, you have to tap on Download Offline. And as you can see, just on that song, there is a green dot. That means the song is now downloaded offline. Now, in order to access the offline music, tap on the library at the bottom of this interface at the middle. And here, tap on Saved Song. And here you will find your downloaded content. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.